Hi guys, I know it's a little bit of a crazy time, but I just wanted to finish up the last entry in what I have for the Cooking Basics vegetable series. Today I want to show you how to make some brown rice on the stove, and this is actually a recipe I was very intimidated by. In the past I always just used a rice cooker, but it's actually not really necessary. It's actually very simple to make rice on the stove. This recipe is really easy in the end, and it's a really practical recipe too. Something good to have up your sleeve. Brown rice does need to cook for a long time, about 35 minutes or so, but in the end you'll have some nice fluffy brown rice that's really sure to fill you up. Now, the recipe video itself is going to be very quick, so let's just jump straight into this. Now, the first thing that we're going to actually need is some rice, and I'm using some long grain brown rice here, but the recipe also works for the short grain brown rice. Now, brown rice is really just regular rice that still has its outer layer of what's known as bran on it, and this is the casing that has the nutrients for the rice. So it's full of vitamins that you don't get when you have white rice. Now, for the recipe I'm making today, I'm going to cook about 1 cup of brown rice, but the ratio of water to rice is actually very simple. In our case, it's just 2 parts water to 1 part rice. So it easily scales. So if you want to make half a cup of rice, just use 1 cup of water, and so on. Okay, now to cook our 1 cup of rice, we need to heat up 2 cups of water and bring them up to a boil. To do this, we're going to need a pot that has a lid so we can cover the pot later. We're going to place everything onto a burner and put the burner up to high. We're going to go ahead and add our water in, and additionally, to give some seasoning to the rice, I'm adding about 1.5 tablespoons of salt to this water. We're going to let the water heat up, and after about 3 minutes, we should see that the water should start boiling, at which point we can just go ahead and dump in our brown rice. At this point, probably the most critical thing we need to do here is to turn our heat to low and cover the pot. Now, if you don't turn your heat to low, what will happen is that you'll cook the water too quickly and it will boil off too quickly and you'll burn the rice. What we should notice is that the water should go from a really rigorous boil down to a light simmer or a light boil. And we're just gonna leave this covered and let this go for about 35 minutes. And while we wait, we just can kind of every once in a while peek in to make sure that the water level's fine and we're not doing anything, but really try not to disturb this as much as possible. But after our 35 minutes, we can go ahead and remove the lid and take a peek, and hopefully it should look something like this. Now, this is a good opportunity to just take a bite, and if it's still a little hard or crunchy, go ahead and close it up and add a little bit more water if you need to. You'll need to let that cook for a little bit longer, but otherwise you really should be done at this point. So go ahead and stir to fluff everything up and we're done. So I hope you enjoyed this super quick video, and I hope to get you guys some more new content soon, and stay safe out there. Bye.